Hello, wonderful students. Our topic for today is culture. In this lesson, you shall learn about culture, components of culture, characteristics of culture, and cultural similarities among Nigerians. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to 1. Define culture. 2. List characteristics of culture. 3. Identify components of culture. 4. Identify cultural differences among Nigerians. And 5. Mention some norms and values of some Nigerian communities. Most of you have participated in cultural dance or drama during prize giving or cultural day in school, right? Culture. Culture is defined as the total way of life of people. It includes people, modes of worship, language, religion, dressing, dancing, greeting, eating habits, etc. Culture varies from place to place. Hausa culture is different from that of Yoruba, Igbo, or Efik people. Culture is passed on from one generation to another. People learn their own culture, the culture of the people where they reside, and the culture of the people they come in contact with. Components of culture. There are 2 components of culture: material culture and non-material culture. Material culture refers to those man-made things which we can see, feel, and touch. These materials are made to meet the needs of people, e.g., clothing, furniture, buildings, bridges, books, bags, etc. Non-material culture, on the other hand, refers to language, religion, music, knowledge, belief, dance, etc. We cannot see or touch them, but we can hear or understand them. Characteristics of culture. Culture helps us to identify people. For example, language and tribal marks helps you to know where a person comes from. Culture entertains and brings people together. Culture promotes understanding, tolerance, unity among people of different ethnic groups. Culture helps to preserve people's customs and traditions. Culture is learned and shared, not born with people. Culture is continuous and does not die with people. Cultural differences and similarities. The following customs vary from place to place: greetings and respect for elders and rulers, marriage ceremonies in our various cultures, peculiar styles of arts and crafts, language differences, food types, and traditional wares. Agricultural produce like granules, cashew, plantain, etc. also vary from place to place. We have come to the end of today's lesson, and I hope you have learned how important culture is to us. Now, answer the following questions. Define culture. List characteristics of culture. Identify components of culture. Identify cultural differences among Nigerians. Mention some norms and values of some Nigerian communities. Thank you, and see you in the next class.